Why the sudden surge in the need for AI website builders? Well, in a world that's rapidly digitizing, having a well-built and efficient website is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. AI website builders are making it easier than ever to create sleek, efficient, and highly functional websites at a fraction of the cost and time. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of AI website builders and explore the top 10. First on the list is Wix ADI. Wix ADI, or Artificial Design Intelligence, is a smart assistant that guides you through the website building process. By asking you a few simple questions about your business and your needs, it creates a unique, professional website tailored just for you. It's like having your own personal design team at your disposal. Next up is Zyro. Zyro's AI-driven tools are designed to make website building as easy as possible. Its AI writer creates unique and professional content, while the AI heat map predicts where your visitors will look and click, helping you optimize your site design. Third on the list is Bookmark. Bookmark's ADA, your artificial intelligence design assistant, creates your website in less than 2 minutes. ADA learns what you like and creates a tailor-made website for you, cutting out the need for any technical skills. Coming in at number 4 is B12. B12's AI website builder does the heavy lifting, while a team of experts fine-tune and optimize your site. It's a perfect blend of artificial and human intelligence, creating a website that truly stands out. Fifth is Firedrop. Firedrop uses an AI assistant, Sacha, who designs your website based on the information you provide. Sacha is like your personal designer, who understands your needs and creates an engaging website accordingly. Halfway through our list, at number 6, we have Jimdo. Jimdo's AI website builder, Dolphin, makes website building a breeze. It designs a fully personalized website in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard it right, just 3 minutes. At number 7, we have GoDaddy. GoDaddy's AI-powered website builder creates a professional website in less than an hour. It's incredibly user-friendly, and it offers a wide range of customization options. Taking the 8th spot is Tilda. Tilda's zero-block design feature, powered by AI, offers enormous flexibility and a wide range of design options. It's perfect for those who want to unleash their creativity. At number 9, we find BaseKit. BaseKit's AI website builder is designed for businesses. It's not just about creating a website, but about creating an optimized, efficient, and effective digital presence. Finally, at number 10, there's Pixpa. Pixpa's AI-driven website builder is specifically designed for creatives. It offers beautiful, customizable templates that are perfect for showcasing your work. And there you have it, the top 10 AI website builders. Each of these tools offers a unique blend of AI and design features, making website building faster, easier, and more efficient. Whether you're a small business owner, a creative professional, or just someone looking to create a personal website, there's an AI website builder out there for you.